Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white's pawns are going forward in this direction. So as always, pause the video and guess the move. We do have a lot of things to do, so get the idea of the puzzle first and guess the move. Best of luck. So here, if I said white is winning, white must get a queen, right? So it's if white isn't get a queen, it would be rook versus rook, and that would be just a draw. Or white must capture the rook without being captured, but that is impossible since there is no any piece, right? So that is how you should understand the puzzle first. So the first move, or most people would play a move, is to just capture the rook, right? So that would make black capture back our rook, and we would end up in this kind of position, but this is not winning for white, right? This is a draw. After you capture the rook, that would be a draw because you can push one of these pawns. It doesn't really matter. Black would just get into them, and black is attacking them. And what can you do in this position? If you capture black's pawn, this is going to be very nice for black. Black pushes and you can't catch the pawn. Not only that, you can't promote your own, right? And now you are losing. So you can't capture this. You may go backward, but black would just get to d6 and do the same, right? So this is going to be back and forth and back and forth until the game rolls you out in a draw. So that is not the correct move. Capturing the rook is not the correct move. So what else can we try? Well, moving the rook to c7 looks nice, but this is also a draw because black can play rook to h6, and now we got to be careful because the advanced pass, the most advanced black's pawn, is defended by the rook from behind, and we have to be careful with this, right? Our pawn currently are blocking the defense, and now the rook cannot get help the king, and this pawn is to move away, right? So let me show you this some scenario so you'd understand why this is a draw. So if you try to push your pawn to make a queen, obviously black would push its own, and you have to defend this, right? So you may probably think, what if we get a queen and somehow checkmate the black king? But that doesn't work because your king is more worth. Your king has more worth in position than the opponent's king. See, this is going to be checkmate, right? So this is not going to make you the winner. You are going to lose if you play that kind of move. So for this reason, the move rook to c7 is not the correct move. Those are the moves: rook takes a6 check, and rook to c7 or rook to c8 are the moves that look just logical and humanly preferable moves, but all of them don't work. And the only winning move in this position is to push the pawn to d6, sacrificing the rook. So what is the idea? Well, the idea is we are just giving the rook, and if black captures that, we push, and now see, the most advanced pawn is about to get to be a queen on the next move, and black cannot stop that, right? Black can't go behind or get to the 8th rank, and black have absolutely zero checks. So in this position the recommended move is to capture the pawn, and we get a queen with check. Eventually we simply capture these pawns like this. We can even capture like this, and now we are winning, right? So we can give not this check. Actually this is going to be a pin, I didn't see that, but we can even play this check. That is even better, right? So this way we would end up a rook against a queen, and that would be just game over, right? So we are going to win the game that way. However, in this position, if black didn't capture this, we if not in this position, actually in this position, if black didn't capture the rook and play rook to a8 instead, what can we do? There is a different outcome and a different thing we can do. So what do you think the best move in this position? Well, pushing the pawn anyway. So in this position, black may get in front of the pawn, but we defend the pawn, and now black cannot do anything, right? Black is just immobilized, and simply we can even play this move on the next move and win the game. So this is actually the solution of the puzzle. So this is the first the first position. The first correct move is to play d6, sacrificing the rook, and if black captures we push, and if black plays to a8 we push. It's the same move, and the thing that makes it differ is to make this move, and we simply play pawn to c6, and that defends everything, and we are going to win the game that way. So this is the solution. Thank you for watching up to this point. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.